If a parent has a couple of children, how many children does he have? 2. If you invented something, what can you apply for to prevent others copying your invention? Patent. What century are we in now? 21st century. How do we call the animals and plants preserved in the rocks? Fossils. If a car is not stationary, what is it doing? Moving or running. How do we describe a situation that is precarious? Dangerous. Which one is more widespread, Korean, Thai, or Hindi? Hindi. What is the thing you touch when you play a guitar? String. What do we call the pieces of paper that proves you have bought an item? Receipt. What do we call the subject that studies weather and temperature? Meteorology. What is the strings on shoes? Shoelace. What do we call the strap that circulates a person in a car or an airplane? Seatbelt. How many extra days in February in a leap year? 1. How many days are there in a leap year? 366. What is the wet place does crocodile prefer to live? Swamp, river, or lake? Computer, telephone, and typewriter. Which one is first invented? Typewriter. How many hemispheres does the equator divide Earth into? 2. Which of the following sports is more dangerous, parachuting or jogging? Parachuting. When your bone is injured and broken, what would you say you have? Fracture. What is the cracking or breaking of a hard object or material? Fracture. How would you describe the process in which ice becomes water? Melting. What is a thermometer used to measure? Temperature. What is the name of the instrument used to measure variations in temperature? Thermometer. What is the best example for academic English? Tolerant or put up with it? Tolerant. Under which circumstance would you describe the economy as a good one? The one with high unemployment or low unemployment? Low unemployment. What do we call a doctor who can sell prescribed medicines? Pharmacist or chemist? What do we call the thread in the center of the candle? Wick. What do we call the first paragraph of a report? Introduction. What kind of forms are tragedy and comedy? Literature. What is the opposite of convex? Concave. What is HO2 in chemical substance? Water. What is paper made from? Wood. Trees. Which one is easier to recycle, plastic or paper? Plastic, paper. What natural resource is used by a carpenter? Wood. What material is used both on window and light bulb? Glass. What electronic device wakes you up in the morning? Alarm clock. What publication reports daily news? Newspaper. What is the heading at the top of an article or page in a newspaper or magazine? Headline. What attitude would you have when you are in a job interview? Enthusiastic, lazy, or passive? Enthusiastic. What is CO2 in chemical substance? Carbon dioxide. We went somewhere. How do you understand it's a past sentence? Went. Which color we made by blending black and white? Gray. What do these following belong to? Roses, daisies, tulip. Flowers. In the word postgraduate, what does the post mean? After. What's the name of the company that produce books? Publisher.